If you have this error into the anti-gravity, which is that you cannot perform, you can prompt the model to try it again or start a new conversation if the error persists, see this element. If you wanted to change or try to solve this element, usually the most easiest way is the sanity check, because you wanted to try click into retry button once, which is really fast to click into it, but I believe that sometimes or the majority of the cells didn't work for you. So the second option is to start with a fresh task, which is creating an actual brand new conversation channel. If your current chat doesn't context has grown too large or has hit a corrupted execution state, you can start a fresh task, completely wipes the history, check thoroughly, and usually fixes your temporary glitches. Something else that you can do is to reload the actual window, which is open your command palette with Ctrl, Shift, and P. Inside here, you want to type developer, and go for reload the window. So once you have now hit into enter to reset the local IDE state, it will be making this process really fast. Now the second option is to fix the actual context overflow and large page loadout crashes. So if the agent crashes right after it says reading the files, it is likely choking on too much input data, leading to a 413 payload too large. So instead of asking the agent to scan the whole repo, you can tell it to read a single file on or in a specific directory. Then you can ensure that you are excluding heavy folders from a context search. So if you're asking is to run rigid or grep commands manually, a pin comes to the actual terminal, like for example my function srs, something like that, right? And lastly, you can go for the troubleshooting MCP, which is open the MCP settings in anti-gravity via the sidebar into the menus, and you wanted to disable all of the actual custom MCP servers in order to make sure that actually everything works correctly. And you can find those directly into the conversation, a lot of that. Once you finish with this element, then you can reset the anti-gravity onboarding and authentication states. So open your command palette once again, and you can be typing now anti-gravity reset the actual onboarding like this. And there we go. Basically, you're actually good to go. If this is still actual process didn't work for you, something else that you can do is that you can disable the anti-gravity. Check out for the element that says check for updates and see if there's an actual error inside here. But in this case, I think this actually worked really fine. So we're actually good to go. So guys, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching this video. And hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you all next time.